Hello Seahawks, my name is Tamara Fernandez. I'm here to guide you through the process of viewing your transcripts, which can be very helpful whether you're an incoming student or a current student. You can check the status of your transcripts anytime, log in through MyBC and following these steps. Step number 1, log into One Access using your BC email. Once you're in, go to the tab that says MyBC. Click on the Records tab. Go to Transcripts, the last option on the list. Once you're in, you can review the status of your transcript by clicking Display Transcript Receipt Info. And that's it. A window like this will show you your transcripts and their status. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you need any help, you can always visit broward.edu/students for a full list of student resources.